Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you create Blu-ray scanning effect in CapCut apps. So it's super simple. Tap on your project, select your videos or photos that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to select my project and I'm going to add effect. Select effect, select video effect. So in trending, you can find the Blu-ray, just scroll down. So here's the Blu-ray scanning. It is the new effect from CapCut and it's free. Just click on it to apply and tap on it again to adjust for the glow, blur, intensity, speed and range. So just click check mark and just for duration and see for the result. Yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.